Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're keeping well and safe. So I'm back with another beauty box unboxing tutorial, and we are in the month of September. My box did come a little late, hence the late tutorial, but this is our box for the month. So this month's box is black, which is a little unexpected given that we're going into autumn. I'd expect like a mustard or like a tan or brown, like something warm. But nevertheless, let's open up our box and see what we get inside. So the description on the website is, this month we're all about putting you on a pedestal with our well-established and iconic product with beauty savings that your purse will thank you for. We want to inspire you by selecting 6 of the most show-off worthy products in the market. We've got iridescent and high shine textures that will make sure you feel as glowing as you look with the Ren AHA Glow Tonic. If you can't treat yourself, who can? These are all the products we have received this month, and we also have the edit magazine. As usual, we have the editor's note and the items that we'll receive in the box. So these are all the 6 items we're expecting to see. I've just had a quick scan of the editor's note, and it mentions that September is Skin Awareness Month, and interestingly, it also mentions here, we've also chosen a black BB box to ooze boldness and class. You're sure to stand out. So they've told us why they've chosen the colour black. The first item we received is a Ren AHA Glow Tonic 100ml, which is worth £16. So you use this like a regular tonic, and I've used this product before, so yeah, I'm happy with this. Next we have the Disciple Dreamy Skin Retinol Oil 10ml worth £17.50. So this is a night oil that you can use as part of your nighttime skincare routine, and at the back of here it says gently massage 3 to 4 drops onto cleansed face or neck. Well, on here it says AM or PM. It smells like menthol or something, like quite herby and strong. I mean, I don't know what it smells like, but it smells familiar. So I've just taken a drop and it is pretty ready. Just going to massage it in. Now this does feel like oil that sits on the skin and not oil that absorbs. So like if you look at it, I can't see how shiny it is, but it feels like it's sitting on the skin and it hasn't fully absorbed yet. Maybe let's give it some time. Next we have the Elemis Pro Collagen Hydro Gel Eye Mask, which is £8.50. On the back it tells us how to use it. It's an eye patch, so you just put the patches under your eye. And it also says here, these clinically proven hydrogel eye masks are formulated to instantly reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Eye contours are left looking smooth and feeling intensely moisturised. Then we have the Bleach London shampoo and conditioner, which are 75ml each and worth £4 each. So the shampoo is a nourishing shampoo, and the conditioner contains castor oil, which will leave your hair feeling soft and smooth, and these sizes are great for travel. Finally, we have the Nail HQ Cuticle Oil, which is 10ml and worth £6.99. So this cuticle oil contains vitamin E, almond and avocado oil, which are all great for nourishing and hydrating the cuticles. So let's just open it up. You can really smell the almond in this. So guys, this brings me to the end of my beauty box unboxing. On the Lookfantastic website, it says that the box is worth £52, and I've just recalculated everything I have, and I come to a total of £56.99. So the contents in the box are worth it. Some of these products I have used before and they are genuinely good products. Others are new to me and I look forward to trying them. If you guys want any deep dives or like my opinions on some of the products, then do let me know in the comment section below, and I'm more than happy to make another tutorial for you guys. Now that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys find it useful, and I shall see you guys in my next tutorial. Take care for now. Bye!